Howdy folks, Russell here, back again. Now I know it's been a little while since I've done a video. I've really just been a little tired lately, working, and I'm on a keto diet, and that has affected my creativity. I don't know just why, but it's a fact. But I'm back now, feeling alright. I've lost 20 pounds, yay me, and I'm back on my project. Now my project that I'm talking about is my post-apocalyptic outfit, which I started working on back in the summertime. I've come a long way with it, and I'm really coming down to just about a finished product. I figured out on looking at it that I didn't have any appropriate pants to go with my outfit. You know, I've got a shirt that I have worked on, and I've got my gear, but I don't have pants. I haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do for the shoe situation just yet either, but that'll be coming up before long. But anyway, I figured out what I was going to do. So I went to a thrift store and I bought a pair of black pants. I think they're probably a decent brand. They were a little worn when I got them. I have since distressed them a little bit, you know, poked a little hole in it once or twice. A couple of my grandchildren came over and decided for some reason to spray paint on them, but that was okay. We're going to go with that. So I decided to go for my next bit of work on these with a very old method used to distress and make more interesting a piece of clothing that I utilized back when I was in high school, back when ripped and torn jeans were all the rage, and that is shotgun denim. So I borrowed an old squirrel gun, just a little 410, borrowed that for a day or two, and I've got a 3-inch birdshot shell in that, just a single shot. I don't hunt myself often, if ever, but so anyway, I got this gun, borrowed it, and I'm going to use it. And I'm thinking one shot's all it's going to take, because I've done this before, like I say, back a long time ago. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's going to be one of the first things to go into the distressing of this. This is going to be a multi-part video. So I'll show you what I've got. I've got my pants here, sitting up, if I can get in there. I got my pants sitting on a pallet out in the yard, and I've got them wrapped up. You see they're black denim, and I got them wrapped up, and I got some old spray paint cans, ones that won't spray anymore, but they've still got some paint in them, still got some pressure on them, hopefully, and I'm going to shoot them and the pants at the same time, and that should not only immediately distress the pants, but also should make it to where there's interesting paint designs going on. So I'm going to set up the camera and I'm going to shoot it, and then I'll show you what I made happen. Here we go. Okay, so I set up the camera and I shot, and I forgot to turn the camera on. I'm very, very ashamed of that, but I'm not going to need to shoot it twice, I think. If so, then I'll try to get that one on film, but let's see what we got. Well, I've got a lot of little holes. They didn't puff up like I would have expected. Once I wash them, I think they will. Also got some nice spray from the cans, but that's not going to look like much. I'm thinking maybe I should shoot it again. So I think I will. Okay, let's see what we got. All right. So we've got some spray right here in the knee, down here around the shins on both. That's a pretty sizable hole right there. And right there. You probably can't hear it, but there's shot falling out of these. When I pick them up, they're falling everywhere. So that's going to be pretty good. When I wash these, that's going to be a big frayed up mess right there, which is exactly what I'm going for. So that's one. We'll see these pants again. Ta.